How to fix page isn't available right now error in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix page isn't available right now error in Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the fix number one, that is to check your internet connection. So here, always make sure that you have stable internet connection, or you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data because the weak internet can trigger this error. And with that, moving forward to the fix number two, that is to restart Messenger and phone. So here, close the Messenger app completely, and after that, you can simply restart your phone. And here, once you're done restarting your phone, you can open the Messenger again and it will fix the temporary glitches. And with that, moving forward to the fix number three, that is to clear the Messenger cache. So here you can simply long press on the Messenger app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on app info, and now here once you're inside the app settings, then what you can do is simply tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now from the pop-up menu you can just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK, but do not tap clear data. And with that, moving forward to the fix number four, that is to update the Messenger app. So here simply open the Play Store on your phone, and now here once you're inside it, you can simply search for the Messenger app and tap on update if available, because outdated apps can cause page loading errors. And with that, moving forward to the fix number five, that is to check if you are blocked. So if the error appears for one specific person only, then the reason is that you might be blocked from the file. So here in this case, there is no fix due to the privacy restriction. And with that, moving forward to the fix number six, that is to disable VPN or data saver. So here, if you have enabled any VPN, then you have to disable it on your phone, and you have to disable data saver on your phone as well, because it will restrict the messenger from opening some files. And with that, moving forward to the fix number seven, that is to log out and log in again. So here, simply open the messenger app and tap on the menu icon. And from here, you can just tap on settings. And from here, you can simply scroll down, or you can just tap on your profile icon at the top. And now from this, you can just log out or switch to another account, and after that you can log in with the same account and restart your phone, and you can try opening the file again. And with that, moving forward to the fix number 8, that is to reinstall the messenger. So this is the last option. So if you're having issues after doing most of the fixes, then what you can do is simply uninstall the app, and after that you can reinstall it again from the Play Store and log in and test again. And that's it. That's how you can fix page isn't available right now error in Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.